As the protagonist arrives at the pristine Yangpyeong ski resort, the excitement is palpable. With over 28 slopes and 14 lifts, this iconic South Korean destination attracts 1.2 million visitors annually. The resort's 1088-meter peak offers breathtaking views, while its snowmaking system ensures perfect conditions from November to March. Our skier unpacks gear, including carbon fiber poles and thermal goggles, essential equipment for the -5 °C alpine weather. The log cabin's wood smoke carries the promise of adventure, just as it has for Olympic athletes who trained here for the 2018 Pyeongchang Games. Statistics reveal 600,000 skiing injuries occur globally each year, often when beginners overestimate their skills. Our protagonist starts cautiously on the 1.4-kilometer Rainbow Paradise beginner slope, where gradients average just 10 degrees. Advanced skiers reach speeds of 130 kilometers per hour on steeper runs, but proper technique requires mastering the snowplow stance first. As snowflakes fall at 5 centimeters per hour, the crunch of packed powder underfoot demonstrates the ideal -12 °C snow temperature for carving turns. Nearby, instructors emphasize the three-point rule: always keep poles and skis in controlled contact with the slope. Ski culture fosters unique social connections. 78% of resort visitors report making new friends on lifts. Our protagonist meets a retired instructor sharing wisdom. It takes 100 falls to become intermediate. They discuss how Norway's Sondre Norheim revolutionized skiing in the 1850s by inventing the telemark turn. At the Slopeside Cafe, steaming cups of hot chocolate, optimal 65 °C serving temperature, warm hands while exchanging stories of near misses. Research shows such shared adrenaline experiences increase oxytocin levels by 30%, explaining winter sports camaraderie. The panoramic view showcases the resort's 3,300 acres of skiable terrain. As the trip concludes, statistics weigh heavily. 22% of ski injuries occur on final runs when fatigue sets in. The protagonist carefully packs carbon fiber skis, recalling how alpine equipment has evolved since 1930s wooden designs. A fading trail map shows conquered routes, from gentle greens to challenging reds. The setting sun, -18 °C twilight temperature, paints the slopes pink, mirroring ski patrollers' avalanche control flares. This bittersweet departure embodies skiing's dual nature, thrilling yet humbling, where 85% of enthusiasts return despite knowing the risks. The car's thermometer reads -20 °C as headlights illuminate departing tracks in the snow.